Hello friends, it's me Alfredo. This is a 2011 Nissan Murano. So number one code for this car is P0101. That's the number one code that makes this car check engine light come on. Okay, now if you're wondering what's P0101, it's gonna be the mass airflow sensor circuit performance. Okay, so we're gonna show you what to do whenever you get this code on this car. First of all, you locate your mass airflow sensor, which is gonna be this right here. You see, this is where your air cleaner is, and then your mass airflow sensor is gonna be right next to it, right here. See, this connector right here. First of all, the first thing you wanna do is clean your mass airflow sensor. Okay, clean your mass airflow sensor. So you gotta disconnect this tab right here. You're pushing this tab and pull back. Okay. Now you're gonna have two 7mm bolts holding it down. One in the back. You can't see it. One up front here. So let's get the back one first. And then you pull it back, just straight back like this. All right. Now that you have your mass airflow sensor out. Okay, you got some mass airflow sensor cleaner, and you just spray right there where the actual sensors are. You know, those electrodes in there. Just spray. Okay, now you got your airflow sensor. Remember that the air flows in this direction, so this is gonna be facing the direction of the inflow, the airflow. Okay, just put it back in. All right. Two screws. Oh, we tighten the other one. Then put your connector back. All right. After you do this, make sure you clear your code and you should be fine. If the code comes back, then you might have to replace your mass airflow sensor. Another option you could go for is cleaning the throttle body, but that's gonna be for another video. All right friends, that's it for this video. Hopefully this helped you somehow, and remember, hit that subscribe button below. So see you next time.